Greeting dear students. Again from the chapter heat we are going to discuss one numerical asked to you in a study circle. Question reads like this: liquid ammonia is used in ice factory for making ice from water. If water at 20 degrees Celsius is to be converted into 2 kg ice at 0 degrees Celsius, how many grams of ammonia are to be evaporated? Okay, you are given is the latent heat of vaporization of ammonia is 341 calorie per gram. Okay. Now before we begin, let us discuss how will you solve this question. This question has to do with two types of the heats. One is the specific heat capacity and second is latent heat. Let me remind you of two things. Whenever there is only change of temperature, we will use the specific heat capacity, and whenever there is a change of state, then we are going to use latent heat. So naturally you are given latent heat of vaporization for ammonia, so we are going to use for change of state. Second thing, we also have one more change of state of the water at 0 degrees Celsius to water at ice at 0 degrees Celsius. And why this is so? Because at change of state, no temperature change is observed. So whenever there is change of temperature change of state, then temperature remains same. Okay, so let's start the question. And for this we are going to use a very simple principle of heat exchange, that heat lost by hot bodies is equal to heat gained by cold bodies. Okay, now here heat lost by hot body, here we have water at the hot body, because water is going to lose its heat. At that cost it is going to get converted to ice, right? So, but remember here there are two types of the heat you should consider. First of all, water is at 20 degrees Celsius. So first of all, its temperature is required to be at 0 degrees Celsius before it would come or turn into the ice, right? So first of all, you have change of temperatures. As I said, for change of temperature you are going to use specific heat. For this we are going to use mass of the water, then specific heat for the water into change of temperature. This is first part. Second part is mass of the water, which is again the same, into latent heat of ice for formation of water from to ice. Again, that is equal to heat gained by cold body. Here your cold body is ammonia, because it is getting the heat from this, and at that cost it is getting evaporated. So then change of state again. So now let M be the mass required for ammonia, and then multiplied by latent heat for ammonia La. Let us this given it is 341 calorie per gram. Okay. So let us substitute the values. So mass given is 2 kg. Okay, so I am going to write 2 into Cw, specific heat for the water is, as you might be knowing, how much is that? We are going to use it for 1 because it is calorie per gram. Okay, so we are going to use it multiplied by 1. Then delta T, what is delta T? Change of the temperature. What is change of temperature taking place here? 20 minus 0, because it is changing all the way from 20 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius for till it will reach to the temperature of ice, plus again the same mass 2 into latent heat of fusion of ice, that you might be knowing when it is 80 calorie per gram. So it is 80, that is equal to M, that what you have to find out, and La is already given to you, it is 341 calorie per gram. Now can we calculate? This is 2 into 20 plus 2 into 80, that is equal to 341 times M. Okay, so let us solve this. This is going to be 40, this is 160, and this is 341 M. So what does it mean? It implies that if you solve it for M, what you will be getting is, this is 200 divided by 341. And if you solve this, so 200 upon 341 will give you 586.4 gram. So which is your answer? Okay, so that's how you have to proceed. You have to simply use the heat loss by the hot body, that is to heat gained by the cold body. And remember here you have to use a specific heat of the water till it will reach to the temperature at what it will become ice. Then you have to use the latent heat of ice, and then that is equal to heat gained by cold body. Okay, this is how it goes. So for more such videos, stay tuned to CU Academy. Thank you.